My name is Akin. I work at GHD. I'm a location intelligence analyst in Location Intelligence Group in Digital Division. GHD is a architectural engineering and construction company. Also, we do a lot of data type of work. It's a large company. Our headquarters is in Australia. We have 10,000 employees, and currently we have a huge operation in North America. There is a huge data collection process for any AEC type of project. FME helps a lot. For example, we need to put the data into a database to conduct a nice analysis. It takes significant amount of time, and if we need to update the code, oh my God, it's gonna take forever. With FME, I can just plug everything. It communicates with everything. So the collected data can be migrated to their database right away. And if I need to update it later on, if it needs to be changed, I can do it easily. And the documentation is perfect. I can literally search anything I want and just copy and paste. If I want to transfer information to another person, if I need to train a junior to pass my skills or bring another person, it's much easier rather than showing some programming examples. Top example cases for engineering projects will be, I will say again, data collection, first of all. Data collection and migrating that data properly into a certain repository. And second example can be merging surfaces, for example, engineering practices, basically. Those type of things can take significant amount of time. And the third one is I will bring up some innovation, switching to AR. So right now everything is getting into AR, and technology is moving forward with that. So if you want to create AR objects, it's very challenging with other applications. With FME, again, it can communicate with everything perfectly, so you can produce AR objects right away. Let's talk about how AEC companies are able to benefit from FME for data collection process. So let's say we send our inspector to site. They're collecting their data. They're using some application. It can be XYZ. It can be any application. At the end, we will have an output. We need to analyze this information. Maybe we need to produce reports. Maybe we need to dump into another place, give it to another engineer, right? So to be able to do these processes, we will have some intermediate work. We have to massage the data, or we have to update the data in a way that is gonna be able to communicate with other products. So to do that, it can take time. If you're trying to use another software, let's say I'm using ArcGIS, the data is collected in ArcGIS platform, and I'm using ArcGIS, now I have to transfer the data into CAD. It has to be able to communicate with CAD, then I have to change the data. It can take time. And in AEC, many companies cares about time. Utilization is very important. So you can remove that redundant work with just FME using a workbench, something simple, CAD to GIS. Basically, the next person doesn't have to deal with updating the data. They can just start to work on their actual task rather than preparing the data. The data is actually prepared, but they don't need to transfer it into CAD. They can just start to work on it. We don't want to spend time. Everything is going so fast. Technology is moving too fast, and we are not able to catch up. So when there are things that's slowing down and taking too much time, it's just annoying, and we don't like it. We are moving away. FME makes it perfect for us. It's just we are able to go with the flow, and you can keep up with the technology because you don't need to deal with updating the data, fixing the data. FME does it for you. You just start to work on it.